Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today was a freaking rough one in the market. We just seen that the market is down like about 2%, the Dow down 2%, Nasdaq down over 2%, my portfolio down way over 2%, over 4% to be exact. And we're back down to 29,000. It's been like this for a couple freaking days now. Basically since last week or almost 2 weeks ago. We've been riding around 29,000 to 30K the whole time. We tried so close this week to break 31,000. We were close on January 25th in the beginning of the day, and then again on January 27th a few days ago. We were close to breaking 32,000, but we couldn't do it. And just in general, the whole market is down. Well, my biggest position, Neo, down 2%. Afria, my second biggest position. This is all right here in terms of positions. Afria down quite a bit. Jumia, my third position, was actually in the green. Shopify was in the red. Corsair Gaming in the red. Tesla in the red. MP Materials in the red. Dropbox in the red. Beyond Meat in the red. IIPR in the red. I'm still up on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm down quite a bit. I'm down about 8-9%. I did manage to get one share of Jumia. I bought one share of Corsair Gaming, and I bought one share of MP Materials. I just saw it was a good time to buy. And I'll just keep doing it like that. Whenever I see some red days, I'm going to buy if it's really red. Because I'm right now, as you see, my portfolio, I do have $15,000 in margin used. And that's why I want to get my taxes done so I can pay off my taxes fast. And then basically, all the income that I'm bringing in, that after I'm paying my bills at the end of the month, all that income is going to go straight into the stock market, because right now we're at a crazy time, man. I've never seen this before in the stock market. I've been in the stock market for 4 or 5, I think 5 years now, almost 6 years. And I've been through it all, right? I've been through last year, the worst year of my life. I could have made so much money, but mistakes were being made. 2018, every single year there's been new things. There's been trade wars. There's been even nuclear freaking war, uh, threats and stuff like that. Oh my God. When I was in college, they were talking about that, and then that went crazy, and the market went down quite a bit on that. And we might start seeing one of these few days, or maybe in the upcoming months, we might start seeing more red, a big correction coming. So be ready for that. That's why I want to start stacking cash, guys. That's what I would say do if I were you. I would be stacking cash. Remember, I'm no financial advisor or nothing like that. I'm not no expert. I've been in the market for a little bit, not that long. I'm still a newbie. I'm still considered a newbie myself. And right now, I want to stack cash. I will keep buying whenever I see the dip, and whenever there's a huge red day, or whenever I get on margin call. You best believe I will deposit as much money as possible into the portfolio. Hopefully by then I would have at least an extra five to $10,000. Hopefully in a few months. By summer, I want to have 5 to 10K cash on hand whenever I'm ready for the market to drop. But like I said, I've been working a lot, so I've been making these videos pretty late. As soon as I get home, I go to sleep a little bit because I cannot sleep when I have the graveyard shifts, man. Whenever there's graveyard shifts, and then the next few days I have to work at regular time, my sleep schedule's all messed up. I cannot adjust to it, and it sucks. But I gotta do what I gotta do to get this money, right? And like I said, I want my goals to be 50K by the end of this year, if not more than that. Anything above 50,000 I have in the stock market is amazing. That's my goal. And I want to have quite a bit of cash on the side just in case. I would love to have 5K cash just on the side. So 50K invested, 5,000 on the side. And that's my goals, guys. That's my goals for this portfolio. I want to get this baby to 50,000. If it's 50,000 by just pure gains, that'll be beautiful. If not, then it will just basically be 50,000 just for me adding. If the market stays around where it is right now, I'm gonna have to add about $20,000 cash of my own money. But the good thing is, I'm gonna be freaking building up my shares. I want to get Jumia to 100 shares next, MP Materials, and Corsair Gaming. These three, I want to get to 100 shares, and then I'll have my most of my these guys up there. closer to the top. I want to get the Shopify. I want to get Shopify as my second biggest position. So once I do those 100 shares, Shopify gets to my second biggest position. I'm gonna have to probably add another 1,000 to 2,000 into Shopify by itself. Hopefully, it keeps going down. Right now it's at 1,095. Would love to see it under $1,000. 52-week high is close to 1,300. So if it can get to closer to 1,000 and it gets back to all-time highs, that's a 30% gain right there. And would love to see it. And yeah, that's how I would love to go. And then I would love to get NEO up to 200, 300 shares eventually. But if the markets just go back up like it's nothing the next few days, then NEO is most likely going to hit all-time highs. We're most likely going to see NEO coming up with their monthly deliveries. So stay tuned for that. That might be a new catalyst. So that's all I really wanted to talk about today, okay? So just stack your cash up. Be ready for more red days to come. The market's very choppy. Never seen this before. Never seen these kind of stocks going up like this. GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, even Dogecoin was going crazy. But yeah, be careful out there, guys. Stack your cash. Be ready for anything. And whenever you're ready, you're going to be ready for those opportunities to multiply your money upwards.